David Zayas, best known for his role as Angel Batista on Showtimes Dexter, has landed a role in Paramount Players Body Cam drama, which stars Mary J. Blige and Nat Wolff. Malik Vittahl is at the helm, directing from a screenplay by McCarthy and Ridley, based on Richmon Riedels' spec script. The plot centers around several LAPD police officers who are haunted by a malevolent spirit that is tied to the murder of a black youth at the hands of two white cops.
All of them are caught on a body cam video that was destroyed in a cover-up. Zayas, a former New York police officer, will play Sergeant Kesper. The now actor has appeared in films like The Expendables, Ride, with Helen Hunt, Tallulah, starring Ellen Page and Allison Janney, and Sony's Annie remake. Matt Kaplan will produce Body Cam. Zayas, who stars in the upcoming indie Shine, is ripped by Atta Management, Innovative Artists, and Shrek Rose DePello Adams Berlin and Gum. In other Paramount news, actor Majdoub has joined the cast of Paramount Pictures' live-action CGI Sonic the Hedgehog feature with Jim Carrey, James Marsden, and Tika Sumpter starring, along with Ben Schwartz as the voice of Sonic. Based on the 90s Sega video game, the film is being directed by Oscar nominee Jeff Fowler.
It centers on Sonic and his friends, such as Tails and Knuckles, who run around collecting items and points as they attempt to foil the global domination plans of Dr. Eggman Robotnik. Majdoub, whose credits include Dirk Gently's Holistic Detective Agency and CBS's Zoo, will play Agent Stone, who works closely with Carrey's Dr. Robotnik. Pat Casey and Josh Miller penned the screenplay. Neil H. Moritz is producing along with DJ2 Entertainment. Deadpool director Tim Miller and Toby Asher are serving as executive producers. The pick will be out in theaters November 15, 2019. Majdoub is repped by Red Management.
What do you think about it? Share your opinion in the comments below the video. And also subscribe to the channel not to miss new, interesting videos.